Hello, this is Orlando Solis from Advanced Quantitative Reasoning again, and today we're going to go ahead and take a look at buying and losing investment real quick. We're also going to be using the TVM calculator, so we have a couple of examples that we want to go through here. So we have this guy, his name is Joe. He likes buying new vehicles all the time. I don't know why, but you know what, he just loves it. So the dealership will finance his purchase at 8% APR for 36 months. This means that it's going to go ahead and take 3 years to pay off the debt, compounded monthly. So we're going to calculate the monthly payment that if he makes also a down payment of $2,000. So in other words, he's going up to the dealer with $2,000 and saying, "Here, my money. Here, I'm going to put this as a down payment, and I'm going to go ahead and finance the rest." So we're going to go ahead and get menu, get our finance calculator. We're going to get the finance solver. So for the N, we have 36 months, or you could put 3 times 12 because it's a 3-year investment. Not investment, but 3-year purchase. It's going to be an 8%. And let me see. The payment, the PV is your loan, so that's $10,750, but minus the down payment, which is $2,000. See, you're going to go ahead and finance whatever's left. So we just hit tab on that, and there we go. We're going to find out what the payment is, so we just leave that blank. We're going to ping it off till it reaches 0, and then this has to be 12 because that's compounding per year, the number of payments per year. So also that's the compounding periods. We don't need to change that to end or begin. We just need to leave it alone. So right here we're just calculating the payment, and our payment is going to be $274.19. Now, of course, over here on this thing, for some reason they put that the PV is a negative number, but it gives us the same numbers. But just remember, this is supposed to be a positive number because in loans, that the money is given to you to make that purchase, and you're just paying it down. Okay. So, because of that, we know that for each payment, we're going to be making $274.19 for each of those payments. But when we go ahead and do our calculations, we want to go ahead and find out how much that is in our interest. So we're going to multiply that by 36 because they added finance charges to each one of these. So we paid a total of $9,870.84. So first, we go ahead and do our calculations based off of these numbers. So this is how much we paid into it. And so now we have the car. Now the car is worth a certain amount of money. So we just look right here. The car is expected to be worth $7,580 after 3 years. So it would be the total cost of the car. So that's what we are worth. We can put the car up for like a loan or as equity on something, and then we just get paid back for that. So that's where that's based off of. So we go ahead and do our price, which is this number. Whoops, put in the wrong one. So that's going to be that number. Plus the $2,000 we put down. This will go ahead and go into how much we paying in the cost. And then we're going to be subtracting the current worth of the car. So to gain the worth of $7,580, we had to pay interest of about $4,290.84. So that's what we mean by buying and losing investment. The investment's going to lose its worth, and eventually this is how much it costs us to gain that. Now, say for instance, we get Joe, and he gets 24 payments at 0% interest. So we're going to be doing this. So he wants to buy the car with this dealership, and you know they give him this whole thing right here where they give him a choice of 0% APR for 24 months, and that means that you're not paying any interest. So the total cost of the car will go into something else. So we're going to find out how much the car is worth now. So it's 24 payments. So we have $10,750, and we're just going to be dividing that by 24. So that's your payment, $447.92. And then your cost of buying the car is going to be, well, let me see. According to this, I mean, this is wrong. I'm gonna need to change that. Oh well. Um, so we need to estimate the cost of the car after that much time. So it's going to be a little bit more than $7,000 because it's the same type of car. So we're going to go ahead and do an estimate of 8,000. So let's see, about $8,000 worth of the car after 2 years. So we go ahead and think of this 447.92 times 24 payments. So that's how much we paid for the car, give or take. And then we subtract that $8,000. So it's going to be $8,000. And so the cost of getting an $8,000 car, what it's worth, it's about $2,750. And so that's what goes into that. So it all depends on those type of things. So we'll go ahead and leave it at that. Thank you very much. Talk to you guys later.